Good morning, y'all. It's already here. It's June 25th, Wednesday. Crow in the background. Just before 8 a.m. I came down to open the gates. I'm almost done cleaning horse stalls. And I noticed this. A black banana slug. Or it's so dark brown that it looks black. Really interesting. I've seen the normal yellow. That was Benny starting to like orangey colors, and then brown and yellow, but not one almost black. Pretty cool. Anyway, please like, subscribe. Let me know if you have banana slugs in your area, if you find different colors. I'm in Humboldt County, about 5 minutes from the ocean in California. All right, gotta go finish up. Bye, y'all.